Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Checking out this LIGHTSABER collector saber. Alright, so what we got going on here? We'll be charging this thing up. Wow, look at that. This is like a metal handle here. That's pretty cool. So this is supposed to be like a realistic like lightsaber. Here is this portion here. It says this is like super tough plastic, so you can actually duel with these lightsabers. It seems like it does a good hit there. It's relatively thick. See the dimensions of that. Okay, so these just goes right into here like that. What else is in the box here, my friends? So this is pretty sweet. This actually comes, this is a little stand here, and you can display this lightsaber on this stand. So it has this nice like acrylic type, pull the plastic off of that. This nice acrylic like thing's gonna hold your lightsaber on there and look really cool. Right, so this one's got some just gotta take this off of there. How does this work? I think this should just peel off of there as well, right? Give me a second here. I got all the plastic off of there, and these just go right in there like that. And this lightsaber can fit on here however you want to. It's a pretty cool little display thing there. Alright, I'm going to charge this thing up and see how it works here, my friends. Alright, so there's this little bag also here with our, comes a USB charger there. And these little screws. That's going to hold our handle in there. Just put those right there. Oh boy, where did that go? I have to find that. Well, that one went into the black hole, apparently. So we have these little screws here. Try not to drop one this time. Okay, and we just tighten that down. That's going to hold our blade in place there. So this thing does different lights, different sounds. Should even sound like a lightsaber when we get it all done here. But it just looks really cool as well. This metal handle is pretty legit. So this just screws in here. Get the other ones in on the other side now. That's going to hold that blade in there nicely. If you do lose these, you can just take them down to the local hardware store, and they should be able to have ones that will fit in there. But yeah, I dropped that one. I don't know where it went. Disappeared. So to charge it up, I'll show you that real quick. Alright, that should hold that nicely. So this port comes out here, just unscrews nicely, and then we have a USB-C right there. There's our battery. It's got the little motherboard in there, a bunch of cool things, and then we can just charge it up. It says charging when it's done. When it's charging, let's Let's turn this bad boy on here, shall we? Okay. Light came on there. So we could tap it. And let's see. Different colors there. Blue, white. That looks really cool. Maybe I need to figure out how to use the buttons here. All right. Okay, so there's red, yellow, greenish, blue, green, pink, orange, pink. That's pretty sweet there. All right, well, when you move this thing around, makes noises. If you hit, like these, you can like literally sword fight with these, and it'll flash when it hits and makes noise. You can play songs with it, change the colors to different colors. Just a bunch of different things here. Change the colors. Let's see. So this little button here, you press it, then it flashes, and you can do different things with it. Change the different modes, and like here, change the colors, change the reaction if it hits, if it's going to make a sound or not. If it moves, whether it's going to make a sound through the air. So there's a bunch of different options. It takes a little bit getting used to here, but it's pretty sweet. So you turn it off. Okay, and now I can change different aspects here. That's so cool. When you hit something, now there's different modes. So it's like, and whenever you move it around or whatever, it's just pretty sweet little thing here, guys. And it looks really cool. Just a lot of different options here that you can do. This thing seems really sturdy, actually. I like how just reacts to each impact like it's an actual lightsaber. So this thing is pretty killer, my friends. It looks pretty cool, sounds cool, and just a bunch of different options here. I'm really impressed with how neat it is. If you had two of these, you could duel with a friend or whatever, and be a lot of fun. Yeah, it's just pretty sweet thing. If you're a big Star Wars fan, this is a must-have. So thanks for watching, my friends. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.